Do you remember this toy? Look, I had this toy growing up. And look, it's not just a toy. In business, you have assets. Every business has assets. This is how we become profitable. But when you try to protect your assets under the wrong law, it doesn't matter how you want to protect it. If the law doesn't recognize that asset, it won't be legally protected. This is why you have to understand what laws govern the particular assets in your business so that when you are building your assets, you can protect them. So everything inside the sphere is legally protected. Assets inside are protected, but assets outside the sphere are not protected. And if your assets are not protected, CEO, that means that anybody can use it and you can't stop them. And we know that when you own your assets, you can monetize it, create profits, and you can shut down copycats and thieves, but only if you own it. That's why it's important to know the law and to know the laws that govern assets. But there's a particular area of law that you really need to know, and that's AI. If you're using AI to build assets, it's possible that you may be losing ownership rights because you're building it wrong with AI. That's why I created the AI Proof Your Assets training so that you can learn how to build with the legal in mind so that you don't lose the legal protection of the assets you're building with AI, and you can own what you build and monetize it and protect your profits. Check out the training at the link below so that you can learn how to AI proof your assets, because if you build it wrong, it doesn't matter if you have an attorney, the law doesn't recognize that asset for protection. And that means somebody else can profit off of your creative genius and your hard work. So check it out.